Hey guys, and welcome back. So this is just a brief introduction to my thesis that I'm writing on quantum gravity. It's called the General Theory of Quantum Gravity. And this is paper 1, or part of paper 1 of the thesis. Paper 2 would show the derivations and the logical steps I took to solving for the equations, etc. So basically it's a theory of quantum gravity that states that space is filled with trillions and trillions of tiny quantum particles called gravitons, and that these gravitons permeate all of space. So let's get into it. It says here in the abstract that Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity is examined and shown to be invalid. It is invalid as a consequence of the scientific fact that space itself cannot be bent by anything physical. Space is vacuous and lacks structural integrity, and therefore cannot be physically touched. So that's just the main idea behind the entire theory. And then I go on to describe the corroboration of the notion that gravitons exist, and also give equations here. And what all of this math really goes to show is the calculation of the energy released via graviton molecular collisions within solids, liquids, and gases. That the gravitons are colliding with these molecules of matter and yielding energy released in the form of kinetic energy. And also I describe here the fourth law of motion, which adds to Isaac Newton's three laws of motion. It says that every body upon descent will inevitably tilt on its axis as a function of the distance it propagates through. Right? And this is the equation here for gravitational sinking, that you're weightless when you're free falling through space or through a distance. And then I go on to describe here on a new determination of what precipitates gravitational time dilation. And what this equation here shows basically is how to calculate the effects of gravitational time dilation from a curvature of a gravitational framework perspective. So T equals r mu nu minus 1/2 plus the partial of r mu nu with respect to x plus h all over the square root of 1 minus 2gr over c squared all minus p, where P is the atmospheric pressure. So all of this math here now is for my explanation of what is dark matter and dark energy. Now I wouldn't go much into that because that is still under construction and development. But this was just to give you a little summary of what I've been working on in terms of my quantum theory of gravity. Thanks for watching.